Can friendship with an ex lead to romance again? After a breakup, many people ask themselves, can friendship with an ex lead to romance again? The answer is not simple. Some friendships stay platonic, while others quietly hold the possibility of renewed love. The outcome depends on timing, emotional maturity, and whether both people truly want to rebuild something stronger. Did you know you can use simple reverse psychology techniques to make your ex want you back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Key points to consider. 1. Emotional familiarity. Unlike new relationships, friendships with an ex carry a deep emotional history. You already know each other's strengths, flaws, and vulnerabilities. This familiarity can make a reunion feel natural and comforting, sometimes sparking romance again. 2. Personal growth. Time apart can change everything. If both individuals have grown, healed, and learned from past mistakes, the chance of a healthier second attempt increases. Without growth, old conflicts are likely to resurface. 3. Lingering feelings. Friendships with an ex are rarely neutral. If affection still exists, small gestures and shared memories may blur the line between friendship and love. When both feel the same, it can reignite passion. If only one person holds these feelings, imbalance and hurt often follow. 4. Risks of reconciliation. Reuniting with an ex is not without risk. Past wounds may reappear, trust may be fragile, and nostalgia can distort reality. Without honest communication, couples may fall into a cycle of breakups and reconciliations, damaging self-esteem. When it works, romance can return successfully when both people discuss past mistakes openly, set healthy boundaries in friendship, show genuine personal growth, align on shared goals for the future. So, can friendship with an ex lead to romance again? Yes, but only if both partners approach it with maturity and clarity. Friendship can be a bridge back to love, but it must rest on honesty, growth, and a true desire to create a healthier bond. Without these, it often becomes a reminder of why things ended. For some, the second chance is worth the risk. For others, peace is found in moving forward. Do you want to learn how to get your ex back with this simple, proven reverse psychology techniques that make your ex beg you to come back? Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.